Hey guys, welcome to our Tech for Our Mind. My name is Mohit Vaishne, and in this video I have come up with the government hiring update which is coming from Intelligent Bureau. So they have announced hiring for any graduate. Yes, you have done any degree from any branch, you are eligible for this hiring, you can apply, and it's a mass hiring or bulk hiring. They have a huge number of vacancy. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will explain you each and everything, like how to apply, what is the qualification required, and what is the selection procedure. But before that, do like this video and subscribe this channel so you do not miss any kind of hiring update. Now let's discuss in detail about this hiring, and this is the official PDF which is shared by the company. As you can check out, this hiring is from Intelligent Bureau, which is a part of Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, and currently they are hiring for intelligence officer grade, and for this role you will receive level 7 pay salary. You can check out level 7 pay, which will be come under 44,000 to 1,42,000 per month. You will receive salary in between, and if I give you the estimate, then you will receive approximate 80 to 90,000 per month in your bank account for this particular role. And as I mentioned, this is a bulk hiring, so you can check out number of vacancy. So the total number of vacancies is 3,717, which is a very huge number, especially for government job. So I will highly recommend you, if you are eligible, do apply for this hiring. Maybe you get a job for this position. Talking about the qualification, so for this position you have done any graduation from any branch, you are eligible for this hiring, but you must have basic understanding about the computer. Knowledge of computer is required for this position. This is a desired qualification. And apart from qualification, company have age criteria also, so you must have minimum age 18 and maximum age should be 27 years. But if you belong from SC, ST, OBC or ex-serviceman, then you can avail reservation according to your category. For example, for SC, ST it's a 5 year, for OBC it's a 3 year. So you can check out and avail according to your category. Now talking about the other details, which is the selection procedure and exam pattern. So for this exam you have to face 3 rounds. First is tier 1, second is tier 2, and third one is tier 3. And tier 1 exam duration is 1 hour, and total number of questions in tier 1 is approximate 100. And exam will contain current affair, general studies, numerical aptitude question, reasoning question, English question. And tier 2 exam will contain essay writing, English comprehension, long answer type questions, and current affair also. And the duration for this exam is 1 hour. And if you clear the written test, then you have to face interview. And if you clear the interview, then only you will get a job for this position, which is a totally government job. So this is a complete selection procedure. And one note point, this is a Pan India exam, so you can check out your cities of examination. This is a complete list. I will attach this PDF in video description. I think they cover most of the cities and states. For example, UP, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Manipuri, Malayalam, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Punjab, Rajasthan. Most of the cities and states cover in this PDF. So do check out this list. Now move to some important dates. So you can check out, last date for the application is 8th of August, and this application is started from 19th of July. So you have approximate 20 days to complete this application. And most important point, for this application you have to pay some fees. Yes, you cannot apply free of cost. You can check out in examination fee section. So if you are interested for this position, then you have to pay examination fees 100 rupees plus recruitment processing fee, which will be approximate 550 rupees. So you have to pay approximate 650 rupees for this position. But if you belong from SC, ST, female candidate हो, if ex-serviceman से belong करते हो, then you are exempted from examination fees. So you don't need to pay examination fees, but you have to pay recruitment processing fee, which will be approximate 550 rupees. This is only for SC, ST, female candidate and ex-serviceman. But if you belong from other category, then you have to pay total fees. Now talking about how to apply. To apply purpose, you can check out this PDF also. They have already mentioned step-by-step process. Here, this is a complete step-by-step process. And this is the official link. Just slide down here, you will find one click here option. Just click on this button. Then after that, this type of page will appear. And you have to first register yourself. First enter your post name, candidate name, mobile number, confirm your phone number, email address, and all of basic detail you can fill. Then after that, you have to complete your application. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then do let me know in comment section. I will definitely help you. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. And if you found this video helpful, then please do like this video. Thank you and goodbye.